The first geo satellite or geo, it had a spatial beam. Spatial is the distance. Spatial beam that illuminated about 1/3 of the Earth's surface, around 42.2% to be precise. This is called a footprint. Let me just show you here. See, if you are, say, imagine yourself here. How much Earth you can see? It's your eye. Satellite is nothing but eye. You can have an analogy of the eye. So the field of view will be larger. In Leo, the lower one, the area will be lesser. So the footprint can be 1/3 of the Earth. Nowadays, each downward beam, this can be focused on a small geographical area. If you are from United States, why do you want to cover whole Earth? You will concentrate on United States. So multiple upward and downward transmission can take place simultaneously. So this small area or the field of view or the beam area, these are the spot beams. They are elliptically shaped like an egg, and they can be as small as few hundred kilometers in diameter. Now this picture you see here is of VSAT. VSAT. In geostationary satellite, you need to have a ground station, or the antenna has to be large, it has to be expensive, it has to be bulky. So, even order of maybe 2 or 3 playground. So then came the VSATs, low cost microstations. These are called very small aperture terminals. Now these VSAT, the antenna, parabola shaped antenna, the size was, there are tiny terminals. If you compare to the geo antenna, that is geostationary Earth orbit antenna, 10 meters and above. These are tiny terminals, they have 1 meter and even smaller than that. So it is smaller, quite smaller than 1 meter. It can be handled quite easily, and they can put out power about 1 watt. So the power is also less. And uplink up to 1 Mbps and downlink also several megabits per second. So direct broadcast satellite television, they use this VSAT for a one-way transmission. So VSAT was also a revolution, because now we can use this to do certain various activity. The ground station, we call it as a hub. So you see here, I am showing you the VSAT. Let me show you here. We have the high gain antennas here. So this is a hub, VSAT. And how is the transmission taking place? This is a communication satellite. So from hub to satellite to the smaller VSATs, and from the VSAT to the satellite to the hub. So there has to be a hub, a big hub station. So here you have a hub station, a satellite, and you see even the internet and the file download all can be done using this very small aperture terminal, VSAT. This is how the technology has advanced. High gain antenna is needed to relay the traffic between the different VSATs.